Imagine walking into a world where machine can see, hear, speak, and even create, where businesses predict trends before they happen, and chatbots deliver human-like conversations. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's shaping the way we live and work every single day. But here is a challenge. With so much buzz around AI, where do you start? How do you turn curiosity into real understanding? That it's exactly what this course is designed to help you do. Welcome to AI-900, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, a course that gives you the foundation to understand AI concept and explore Microsoft Azure AI services. By the end, you know how to tackle real-world scenarios with confidence. I'm Alexandra Zakharova, a senior Microsoft technical trainer specializing in Azure AI services and cloud solution. If you're curious about my professional path and want to connect, feel free to reach out on LinkedIn via aka.ms/Alexandra. I will be guiding you through this beginner-level course where you will break down complex ideas into practical knowledge and show you how Azure makes building intelligent solutions easier than ever. This course is divided into 6 sessions. First, we'll start with Introduction to AI concepts, where you will learn what AI is, the different workloads, and how it's applied in real-world scenarios. Next, we'll dive into machine learning concepts, exploring how models are trained, evaluated, and deployed, and the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Then, we'll move on to generative AI and agents, where you will discover how large language models and Azure AI Foundry enable you to build intelligent experiences and conversational agents. After that, we'll cover natural language processing concepts, focusing on text analytics, language translation, speech services, and how Azure services help you process and interpret language. In the 5th session, we'll explore computer vision concepts, learning how to analyze images, detect objects, and extract visual insights. Finally, we'll finish with AI-powered information extraction concepts, where you will see how to use document intelligence, Azure AI content understanding services, and knowledge mining to turn unstructured data into actionable insights. Throughout this course, you will find hands-on labs on Microsoft Learn to reinforce your learning. These labs will guide you through using Azure AI services step by step. And you can access them for free directly through the Microsoft Learn platform. This course also prepares you for the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamentals exam. If you plan to take the AI-900 exam, which I hope you will, you won't need to implement any of these concepts through the Azure platform. Instead, you need to be able to identify and describe the core concepts. To earn the certificate, you will need to score a minimum of 700 out of 1,000 possible points during the test. But don't worry, I will share tips along the way to help you succeed. One of the best tips I can give you is to take advantage of the free learning pass on Microsoft Learn. This course, including the slides I'm using today, aligns directly with Microsoft Learn. I hope you will join us as we journey through this course. I encourage you to watch other videos in this series or explore your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn. Thank you for joining me in this course and happy learning!